We're investigating a crash right now.
Where's the tape at? Where's the investigation?
I'm telling you to leave.
Where's the investigation?
You got 3 seconds to leave.
Oh, what?
Handcuffs.
Oh, what? Nigga, come on.
Really? You gonna square up to me? You wanna go to the ground?
I see.
In a minute.
Was it worth it? Was that worth it?
Was it worth it? Dumbass?
Yeah. Told him to leave, he said, or what?
You a sergeant?
In the back of a car.
Are you a sergeant? Dumbass?
Hey, guys.
I got him.
I don't want to touch him.
I can't wait to eat you guys up.
Okay.
I can't wait.
Probably
can't
we should
wait.
be working a DUI at this point, so you should just...
Shut up, bitch.
Yep. Can you guys fit this? We gotta do something with it.
Take that, Joe. I'm gonna just throw it on the sidewalk for now so it's out of the road.
Okay.
No tag on this thing at all.
Probably got a VIN number on the form.
Got a little... all you have to do is move. So I just just leave. Just go down the sidewalk and I guess was too hard. No. He got off his motorcycle and squared up.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know if these have serial numbers on them somewhere, or?
No, they're electric bicycles.
I always have to look it up.
But there is no serial number.
Or like a VIN, nothing? Really? I feel like there should be.
At least it should be right here.
Because even like bikes have them.
It should be right here. I mean, like a serial number for bicycle.
Oh, is it this?
Yes.
Just be careful. Oh, okay, I got the keys.
Dumbasses. Because I'm driving through and you tell me I stop.
Yeah, then you want to cop an attitude versus just...
And is it against the law to cop an attitude?
No, it's...
Alright, you little bitch.
Okay.
It ain't against the law to call you a bitch either.
Sit back.
Go ahead.
Sit back.
Been called words.
This isn't back, dumbass.
Yep, easy to talk shit.
You picked the right one. Yeah, thumbs up. Do it thumbs up again. Do it again. You pathetic ass cunt. I can't stand you. I can't wait to get you in court. I can't wait to get you. I swear to God, I'm going for your job. I want you to lose your job. I don't even think you deserve to be behind the. I want your job. And now you know what I'm coming for. Yeah. And I think a couple of your partners back there don't deserve a job either. So yeah. So let's take me to jail. Yep. Take me to jail. Because you guys have no clue what you just got into.
Number one, call for. Also, you can switch to IC for further information on this.
Lotion up. That's right, lotion up.
It's sanitizer, dude.
Lotion
Relax.
Up. Lotion up, baby.
God.
Lotion up for your butt fuck. Yeah, lotion up for your butt. Stupid. Let's go. I can't wait to get to jail. I can't wait. Oh my God, it's gonna be so beautiful. It's beautiful. Just tell your family that you're sorry, that you were such a douchebag, and that's why you lost your job, and now you can no longer provide for them, okay? Just wanted to arrest nobody, somebody just driving by, but you know what? You can be a douchebag. Sunglass douchebag. It's so nice. I can't wait to get you in the court. I can't wait to get you in the court. Oh my God.